Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2. We present simple process. From the question, Hazira Zalika to press produces baby chairs from the three process 1, 2, and 3. So for process 1, input material, additional material, and direct labor, we put at the debit side here. Production overhead is absorbed 40% of direct labor cost. So 40% times 10,000, we got 4,000 at the amount. Normal loss is 30% of input, and the losses can be sold at 1 ringgit per unit. Output is 7,000 unit. At the credit, we put normal loss 30% times 10,000. We got 3,000 at the quantity times the CPU 1 ringgit, and we got the 3,000. To calculate the output for the CPU for the output, input cost minus normal loss at scrap value divided by input quantity minus normal loss quantity, and we got 9 ringgit. 9 ringgit at the CPU times the quantity 7,000, and we got 63,000 at the
For
amount.
process 2, we need to transfer from process 1 output into debit side. After that, we take the information from question. In debit side, we put additional material, direct labor, production overhead, and enter the amount. For credit side, we find normal loss quantity by 10% times 7,000. We will get 700. For the output quantity to process 3 is 6,500. After that, we need find CPU for output to be transferred to process 3. The calculation for CPU is input cost minus normal loss at scrap value divide input quantity minus normal loss quantity, and we will get 16.111 ringgit at the end. After we plus all the value, we will get this amount.
Okay, first of all, to process 3, process 2, the amount we go to process 3. So 6,500 CPU and amount from process 2. And now the additional information, additional material, direct labor, production overhead, 30% of direct labor cost. This is will be at the debit side. Dia input additional material 5,000, direct labor 8,000, and production overhead 30% of divide by 8,000, and we can get the amount 2,400. And we calculate the amount, we can get the input cost 120,122 ringgit, and input quantity 7,500. So the information given, normal loss and the loss scrap values 500 unit and 1 ringgit 80 sen. So we can get the amount 900. So now he gave the process 3 7,000 unit. So we want to find the CPU and the amount. How to find the CPU? Input cost minus normal loss at scrap value, input quantity minus normal loss quantity, and we divide this, and we can get the CPU is RM 17 ringgit 0.0317 sen. So we can get the amount at the same amount.
To open a normal loss account, then we just need to take the amount from the process 1, which is 3,000 quantity and 3,000 ringgit, add into the debit side, then followed by process 2 and process 3 from the debit side. From the credit side, we enter into the debit side. For the credit side, we just round off the amount, which is this. For the process 2, we have an abnormal account, so we divide into 2, which is cash and abnormal gain. The amount is 0, we just need to write off. Then we add process 3 with 500 quantity and 900 ringgit into credit side. So the balance is like this, and it's same. We have the abnormal gain account, so we need to open. For the credit side, we take from the process 2 with it is debit into the credit side. Then we take this 200 and add into the debit side. From this, credit into the debit side. So the value will enter into SOPL. That's all from our groups. Thank you.